What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. We got a Ford Fusion for you guys, as you can see right there. What we got done on it: manifold converter up there somewhere, resonator delete, 2 1/4 pipe all the way, and then we did a duals out the back. Usually comes with a big muffler, we'll show it to you guys in a second, but we took it off, wired it off, and ran duals out the back on each side. There and there. There it is right there. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, as you guys can see. There's the resonator delete there. There's the resonator that was on it. There's the muffler that was on it. So you guys can see from the shape of it, that's why we had to dual it out again and put a custom wide pipe, because it comes single in, dual out. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And it is turbocharged SE Fusion. Oh, that's nice. That's awesome. Again? There's sound decibels. 112. Heck yeah. Go ahead and back it out. That sounds so good. You guys can hear the blow-off valve too. Again? I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Good looking car. Check out the stickers. Oh. Look at that sticker, guys. Flux capacitor powered. That's a new one. Look at that crackle! Enjoy, guys. That was awesome. You can still hear it.